Now, if you listen very carefully, you can hear the rare sound of a roadie's mating call. The dulcet tones of the male roadie on the stage doing the hallowed 1-2 testing. So rare, so pure. And so gay. If we're all very quiet, we might actually catch sight of a roadie on the stage doing his mating call into the public address system. He's gone into the drone mode now to test the bottom end subwoofer. This is a crucial time. Where's the guy with the mic? Where's the guy with the mic? Doing the 1-2-ing? What just as I thought, he's at the mixing desk, the bastard. I think he's there. Look in there. Look right in there. Can you see him? Look at that in all its glory. I don't think a camera crew has ever been this close to a roadie in his natural habitat. He's going through the A's and some tutting. That's good. He's yesing now. Oh, listen to that. This has got to get. It's a Baffert or a Brit. Look at the concentration, rapt expression. Oh, he's clicking now. He's pressing buttons willy-nilly. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Television history in the making. A roadie, natural habitat, 1-2-ing and tutting. As far as I'm concerned, my work here is done. Thank you.